In this video, I will show you the latest and greatest station offset tool plugin for QGIS, released October 2023. The updated version of this tool simplifies the steps required for processing survey data from 3 dimensions to 2 dimensions. With the plugin loaded into QGIS, pull up the processing toolbox. From here, we are going to import a text file of the survey data that is in a PNEZD, or point number, northing, easting, elevation, comma separated format. To do so, click the Create Delimited Text Layer from PNEZD file in the toolbox. From the pop-up, click the ellipsis and navigate to the text file. Select the file and click Open. Ensure that the coordinate system is set correctly in this pop-up and in your map. Once you are finished, click Run. Now you can click Close to close the tool. Now we are going to import a shapefile that represents the center line alignment of the channel. This is the line that we will project our survey data points to create a longitudinal profile. To run the tool, double-click the Station Offset tool in the Stream Tools toolbox. In the Polylines drop-down, determine what lines we will be projecting the points to. In this example, the center line alignment. From what attribute with line name drop-down, select the attribute that has the names of the alignment. In this case, it is the text field with the layer as the heading. Now in the Survey Points drop-down, select what set of points will be projected. Now select the appropriate fields for the point description, point number, and elevation. Click the ellipsis. Now click Save to File. Navigate to where you want to save the file. Give the file a name. Click Save. Now click Run to process the data. Click Close to close the Station Offset plugin. Now open the file you generated in a spreadsheet program, such as Excel, and sort the data. For this example, because we are only interested in data pertaining to the longitudinal profile, I sort the data by description and station. Now I delete any lines of data that do not have descriptions relating to the longitudinal profile. With the data organized and sorted, we can create a graph of the longitudinal profile, creating data sets for each of the unique descriptions. For this example, I am creating lines for bankful, bankful high, bankful low, thowweg, and water surface. Next, we are going to work on projecting the survey data to cross-sections. To get started, create a new polyline shapefile to represent the cross-sections. Ensure that the shapefile is in the same coordinate system as your map and survey data. Add a text field to the shapefile. For this example, we name the field Name. Once you have saved the new shapefile, start an edit session on the shapefile and start drawing in your cross-sections. It is important to remember that where you start drawing the polyline will represent station 0 plus 0, 0. We typically draw our cross-sections from river left to river right, setting station 0 plus 0, 0 on the river left bank. Once you have completed drawing your cross-sections, save your edits. Now we can run the cross-section naming tool. Double-click the cross-section naming tool in the Stream Tools toolbox. From the Polylines, Cross-Section Alignment Lines drop-down, select your cross-section shapefile. From the Polylines, Centerline Alignment drop-down, select your Centerline Alignment shapefile. In the Attribute to put in your stationing drop-down, select the text field in your cross-section shapefile. Now click Run. Once the tool is finished processing, click Close. Opening the attribute table of the cross-section shapefile, you will see that there is now a field that shows what station along the centerline alignment that cross-section intersects the centerline alignment. Run the Station Offset tool one more time to project the survey data to the cross-sections. Make sure to select the cross-section alignment as the alignment to project to. Once the tool is finished, you can open the file that was exported. Open this file and sort through the data. Remember that each point in the survey data has been projected to each line in the shapefile. Sort the data to remove any data that does not pertain to a particular line. Sorting by offset is a great initial filter on the data. Remove any points having larger offset values. You can also sort by description, removing any points relating to the longitudinal profile. At this phase, sort by alignment, name, then offset. Now you should be able to plot your data. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like. If you have any suggestions for improvements to this plugin, we would love to hear them. For the remainder of this video, I will just plot the rest of the cross-sections from our dataset. Thank you for watching.